Tommy Lee, a free man. The DJ walking this week after being detained by the police since early July. Lee held in connection with alleged gang-related activity.
Ernest Smith, a tribunal sat because this is what happens in state of emergency situations. The tribunal decided that the police couldn't keep Tommy Lee locked up any longer.
Yes, the tribunal decided that the evidence which they had presented was insufficient to justify they keeping him on the basis that he was a threat to public safety.
So Tommy Lee is happy because he was locked up for a long time.
He was extremely happy. He's extremely happy, and as a matter of fact, he went further than that. Even during the hearing up by the tribunal, he kept emphasizing, because he gave evidence on oath, he kept emphasizing that he was just being used as a scapegoat by St. James police officers. It was suggested during the course of the hearing that there was a split in the original Sparta gang, and he became the leader of what is called Downtown Sparta. Nothing like that. When Tommy Lee's name was featured or mentioned in any gang-related matter in Montego Bay, he got so upset that he migrated to Kingston. So he has in fact been living in Kingston for the past 12 years. However, it is noteworthy that the area of flankers from which he hails is known as Sparta.
Is he going to avoid situations like this in the future? Because to the extent that he can keep himself out of trouble, he don't want to go back to jail, does he?
Of course not. He doesn't want to go back to jail because, as he said, each time he tries to rise, the police try to bring him down. Let's put it this way, that the allegations which were made against him, giving rise to the hearing by the tribunal, were allegations made by persons unknown, the persons who gave statement to the police, but who refused to come forward to be cross-examined by me. So persons will always be out there to tell lies on him. Some persons will always be out there to bring him down, because it is noteworthy that each time his career seems to take off, something pops up like this.
Only person I fear are the Skadang cops. Doesn't it seem improbable that the police just fabricate stuff though?
Well, let's put it this way. I am not here going to say that the police fabricate stuff. But let us say that from time to time, the police make honest mistakes.
He's out now. Is he dropping a dub for a politician?
For a politician?
Yes, everybody's dropping dubs.
Well,
is Tommy Lee dropping a dub?
As his attorney.
And we know you're connected to politics.
Yes,
Here you are with your green...
I'm a former member of parliament.
You're a green man.
Yes, but he has volunteered to do a dub.
For the police?
No, man. For my daughter, Marsha Smith, attorney at law, who has replaced Shahini Robinson of blessed memory in Northeast St. Anne. So that should hit the airwaves, the political airwaves, between now and I would say Saturday.
Anyway, for God's sakes, tell Tommy Lee to just stick to music.
So I've told him that he should avoid certain company, because from time to time, it is your company who causes the police to have a certain perception of you.
True words. Tommy Lee, through his lawyer, vowing to lodge a $100 million lawsuit against the state for false imprisonment. But more on that if it actually materializes.